Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a translator from your Android keyboard. So if you want to use a simple, quick access the translator, you can use it from only from your Android keyboard. First thing to do, you can try to tap on additional settings, then keyboard and input method, and you can choose current keyboard is Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Then you can access Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard right now to try the translator. You can tap on keyboard, and here we go, there is a translator here. You can tap this icon, and here we go, you can change the language, maybe from English to a Chinese and Dutch, for example, to France. You can type to translate here. Maybe we are going to try type the smart, intelligent in English, in French, and we can try type car or voiture in French. So this is very simple translator that you can use on only from your keyboard on Android. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.